everybody, and welcome back to Three-Tiered Island with me, the Great Gamer. And I'm starting to think it's not tier as in layers, but tears as in crying. Because, well, this savannah has not been friendly to me. I died, there's 2 deaths there, but you know that I've died a lot more than that. And, yeah, about that, huh? So today, the Gray is getting back to basics. Basics. Minecraft 101. Okay? What does that mean? That means I'm going to go over my own rules, and we're not going to let the savannah win. Okay? That's not going to happen. Alright, so settle in, grab yourself a nice cold beverage. If you don't have Mountain Dew, which is the gamer's drink of choice, Great Gamer, then may I suggest Mama C's Old Fashioned, truly Southern sweet tea. There you go. She taught me how to make it. I make it by the gallons. It's good stuff. All right, let's get started. First off, we're going to make some upgraded tools because I don't want to be in that situation I was in the other day when I got all the way down below iron level, and wouldn't have done me any good because I wouldn't have been able to mine out any of the diamonds because we didn't have anything. So, Minecraft 101. Gray, don't dig straight down. Gray, don't dig straight up. Gray, don't go places when you don't have any armor covering your booty. Does that cover the basics? Pretty much, huh? And I loaded up on some more dark oak, and we're heading back. But the question is, do I want to teleport myself or not? That tree's never going to grow. Remember what I told you yesterday? I said I'd come back and I would chop you. So there, I chopped you. Now let's replant you. You didn't like that square, so what about we try this one? Huh? That better? You feel grounded? Alright. Raining? Let's get in here and get this rain to go away. Can't do it. You can't do it, Gray. Alright. So now, I think I want to teleport myself to one of these death points. But this might be a bad idea. Remember? Let's do it. Okay, we're here. We're safe. We're on Y level 0. And there's our thing. There's where we were putting all the stuff down. Do I want to swim up the waterfall there? No, I don't. But I do want to light this up a little bit so that we are safer. Not safe, but safer. So that's Minecraft 101 again. Make sure you light it up. Okay, I'm standing on this block and I'm going to say this is the one that's going to take me up to where I want to be. Using our cobble here to fix think I'm in the wrong spot. Yeah, definitely in the wrong spot. Gotta get rid of the laking. Wow, you broke the laking, Gray. And then you didn't even have to. Okay, I gotta go higher, but I'm in the wrong spot. Let me move myself over. I'm gonna make this wall the dirt wall. There. You feeling better about that, Gray? Okay, now, ladders up. In other words, I'm still working my way to iron level, or trying to. All right, now I can get rid of the beacon on that death point. Actually, let's go ahead and remove that one and that one, and let's turn this one off, shall we? All right, now close this down, and where are we at now? We're at Y14 right there. So we need to be at 16. So we want to go up. But I feel like I need to block off the water there. Fill in the gap in the floor. But you do realize, Gray, that all this water leaking through the wood and through the rock, it tells you that there's nothing but water in that direction. So you might want to head in a different direction. Minecraft 101. If the going gets tough, change directions. There we go. Now we're at 16. Yeah, it's a problem. No matter where I turn. Wow. What are we going to do? What's the answer? The Savannah is going to win. Savannah doesn't like me. Yeah. Savannah, I'm glad you got all this water underneath you. You're supposed to be... Okay. What? I had a bunch of question marks across the bottom of my screen there. I mean, I know I'm asking questions, but I don't know what that was all about. Need to go get some sand, Gray, and fill in all this water. Washed out all your torches. What did I do? Block my ladder? I did. Really? Where's my ladder? Where's my ladder? I can't believe I lost my ladder. Okay, I know it's there. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna say I know it's here somewhere. Okay. So, what we're gonna do, I'm on level 14 right now. I'm gonna drop down to 12 or 11. How about that? Torch, you've made the decision for us. We'll get this lapis lazuli. And we vein mined that. That's why everything broke. And we'll replace the ladders here. And hopefully I'm low enough you know what? You're just gonna have to embrace the cave, Gray. Alright, alright, alright. Oh, this is not gonna be fun, people. I'm gonna try and stair step my way down. Put some torches down here. Oh, there's a zombie kid. Zombie kid. Alright, shift over, Gray. Hi, zombie kid. I know. I know. You want a piece of me. Everybody does. I mean, in this game, everybody does. Oh, look. I gave you a way up here. Sorry, zombie kid. Gotta hit you in the coconut. Alright. Now, torchify it, Gray. Torch it up. Yeah. Let's get this iron. Before that skeleton comes over here. He's going. Why is it that he always can shoot me? Oh no! Haha. You coming in? What happened to you? You fall? You break your bones? Sticks and stones will break your bones. If I had a bow, I'd shoot you in the pelvis. Just because that's the only part of you I can see right now. You're not going to let me come in here and look around and try to find more stuff? Huh? Minecraft 101. Oh, there's your guy's creeper, buddy. I see you. Give him a way to get up here. Almost, buddy. You almost got me, but I was faster. You can't do it. You can't do it. I got griefing turned off. You can blow up if you want to. I'm not gonna stop you. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna stop you. Or at least try to stop you. Okay, I need to make another waypoint here. Finish coming across here. I think we can count that success, people. I mean, maybe not really successful, but partially successful. some blocks on hand, and finish making our walkway across here. Yeah. All right, I think what I'm going to do now is dig my way through here a little ways. I did say I need to set a waypoint, didn't I? Oh, water again. No, don't fall, don't fall. Okay, this is problematic. Let me figure this out. Back here at the safety zone. I guess we're going to go down, people, to the bottom of this cave. And how many torches do I got? I got plenty. So Minecraft 101, and the reason I keep saying that is because actually this is my 101 videos in Gray's Island Life series. So there you go. All right, I never did make a waypoint. Let me do that before I forget it again. Waypoint. That button. New. Cave of Doom. There we go. We are now in the Cave of Doom. I need to turn that waypoint off, though, because I want to be able to see when I move. Why is my map being all weird over here? All right, let's take a look at where we are on the surface. Okay, so we haven't gone far from our area right there. That's somewhat depressing. Okay, I wish it would show all the water. I mean, there's some water over that way too. I do know. Back here is a geode, another geode. Okay, here we go, folks. And I'm about ready to end the episode. Where are you shooting me from? Aha. You can shoot straight down? Okay, that's not right. You have to end every episode like this? Come on. Well, I don't want to teleport myself back over there. But maybe he despawned, right? We can hope. Cave of Doom. There. Actually, I should go like that and break this block out. Then let him walk up here and snap him off at the ankles. But it's going to have to wait for another day because we're out of time on this episode. Death Point, you need to go away. and don't come back another day. All right. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking me out. Minecraft 101 with me, the Gray Gamer. 101 videos in the Gray's Island Life series. I think I started in around the 1st of May, something like that. So yeah, pretty cool. And I appreciate you guys watching the videos. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the bell notification. And subscribe if you haven't already. Consider doing that anyway. And if you have subscribed, thank you. I appreciate it very much. And we'll see you again tomorrow. I got to go back over my notes and figure out what I keep doing wrong. But you take care.